the power of the vacuum and brushes to remove the most stubborn stains. With a full charge, the Robo can clean continuously for up to 110 minutes in one go. If the battery is low, the Robo automatically returns to the charging dock and resumes cleaning from where it left off once fully charged. Always keep the auto dock station in such a place where there are no obstacles within its docking radius. Through the app, you can remotely operate the Robo from any location, even when you are not at home. The scheduling feature allows you to set up automated cleaning for a time that's